You want success, I get it, everyone does. But it feels tough, right? Like the game is rigged somehow. You put in the work, you hustle, you grind, day in, day out. Still, sometimes it feels like you're hitting a wall, like there are these invisible forces, these unseen things pushing back, or maybe just holding you in place. It's frustrating, it makes you want to scream. But screaming doesn't change the game, understanding does. So many people are playing by the book, the old book, the one everyone else has. They go to school, they get the right job, they follow the right path. But that path is crowded, it's full of people doing the exact same thing. And they wonder why they're not breaking through. Why they're not achieving those massive dreams. It's because the real game isn't played on that main road. It's played in the alleys, in the shadows, where the real rules live. It's like you're in a massive video game. You think you know the controls, you think you know the objectives, but there are cheat codes. There are hidden levels, there are power-ups the game manual never told you about. And the people who are winning big, they're not just good at the basic game, they've found these secrets, they're using them. And you're left wondering how they do it. It's not magic, it's awareness, it's about looking deeper. But today, that changes. Right now, we're going to pull back the curtain, we're going to expose these hidden dynamics. This isn't about complaining about the system, it's about understanding it so you can navigate it, so you can bend it, so you can finally, truly win. This is about unlocking that secret code, the one that leads to unstoppable, undeniable success. Get ready, because your perspective is about to shift. Big time. First up, let's talk about judges. And I don't just mean the ones in black robes, I mean everyone who has an opinion that matters for your goals. Your boss, your investors, your customers, your audience, these are human beings, they have their own tastes, their own biases, their own ideas of what's good, they're not always objective, they bring their own baggage, their own experiences, their own filters to every single decision they make. Understanding this is key. Then you've got algorithms, the new gatekeepers, they're everywhere. Social media feeds, algorithms, search engine results, algorithms, dating apps, you bet, job applications, often screened by algorithms first. These lines of code decide what you see. They decide who sees your stuff. They are designed to optimize for something, engagement, clicks, time spent, but they don't care about specific dream unless you make them. They are powerful, and often very misunderstood by most. And then there's luck. Oh, luck. That four-letter word. Some people seem to be soaked in it. Good things just happen to them. Others feel like they're walking under a perpetual black cloud. Is it just random? Is it fate? Maybe, maybe not entirely. Luck often favors the prepared. Luck often favors the person who takes more shots, who shows up more often, who creates more opportunities for good things to find them. It's not just about waiting for it, it's about creating the conditions for it. These three judges, algorithms, luck, they feel like massive uncontrollable forces. They can dictate outcomes, they can open doors, they can slam them shut in your face. It's easy to feel small next to them, it's easy to feel like a victim of circumstance. But what if I told you that you can influence them? What if I told you that understanding their nature is the first step to outsmarting them? That's where the real opportunity lies. That's the shift we're talking about today. Most people operate on the surface. They see the stated rules, the official guidelines, the stuff that's written down in the employee handbook or the contest entry form. They play by rules, and that's fine, that's table stakes. But the real leverage, the real explosive growth comes from understanding the rules, the unwritten ones, the ones that govern how things work, not just how they're supposed to work. These are the rules of influence. These hidden rules aren't taught in school, you won't find them in a textbook. They are learned through keen observation, through relentless curiosity, through trial and error, lots of error. They're about understanding human psychology, about knowing what truly motivates people, about seeing the patterns that others miss. They're about understanding the second and third order effects of your actions. It takes effort. It takes paying attention when others are just going through the motions. It takes a different kind of intelligence. So why are these rules so often overlooked? Simple. People are busy, people are lazy, mentally lazy. They prefer the easy path. They follow the herd. It's comfortable to believe that if you just do what everyone else is doing, you'll be okay. Digging for hidden rules takes work. It takes critical thinking. It takes a willingness to question assumptions, to look stupid for a while. Most aren't willing to do that. Their loss, your massive gain. Mastering these hidden rules isn't about being sneaky or unethical, not at all. It's about being smarter. It's about being more strategic. It's your ultimate unfair advantage because so few people even acknowledge these rules exist, let alone try to understand them. This is how you turn the tide. This is how you go from being a pawn in the game to being a player who shapes the outcome. This is where you find your power. This is how you truly start to win. Let's get practical. How do you outsmart these forces? For judges, study them deeply. What have they rewarded in the past? What are their publicly stated values? What are their preferences? Read their interviews, listen to their talks, understand their worldview. Then, frame your work, your pitch, your application in a way that resonates with. Speak their language. Show, don't just tell how you align with what they secretly desire. Authentically, of course. But be smart about it. For algorithms, you need to feed the beast, but feed it what it wants. Most algorithms crave consistency. They crave engagement. They crave signals that users find value. So, produce content regularly. Interact with your audience. Understand the specific metrics that matter on each platform. Use the right keywords. Test different formats. Don't just post and pray. Analyze what works. Double down on that. Triple down. Play their game, but make it your own by injecting your unique voice and value. For luck, you make your own damn luck. How? By increasing your surface area for opportunities, network relentlessly, not just schmoozing, build real relationships, offer value first, put yourself in situations where serendipity can strike, attend events, start conversations, share your ideas. The more you put yourself out there, the more chances good fortune has to find you. Volume of at-bats, that's the secret. The more shots you take, the more you score. It's simple math. This isn't about finding loopholes to cheat the system. Forget that. This is about understanding the system, the visible parts and the invisible ones. It's about playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. It's about hard work, yes, but also work. Embrace these unconventional tactics. Look for the hidden rules in your field, in your life. Master them, apply them, and then watch as you achieve the kind of extraordinary success that others only dream about. Now go get it. The game is waiting for a new kind of winner. You.